Have back pain? You want to do some habits to improve your back? I'm going to teach you some techniques about lumbar spine relief so that way you have less back pain. First off, it's about timing. When are you doing activity and what time of day you're doing activity is important. So you want to think about it. When you wake up, your body's all cool, you haven't been moving, you got to warm it up, just like the way you warm up your brain. You have to do some core activation exercises. I got some great core activation exercises on this channel. You can click to those videos right after, watch it, learn how to activate your core. And then at the end of the day, what you want to do is you want to relax those muscles. So you can do some deep breathing exercises. Of course, deep breathing will help out a little bit, but you want to get some active stretching in there. Child's poses and other things that stretch out the lumbar spine. That's going to be great. And then you can do a little bit of foam rolling, which is self-massage in the area. And then about every 2 weeks, maybe once a week, if it's really intense, you get yourself a massage, get those muscles released. So that way you do core activation, strengthen your core in the mornings, and then relax your core and your back in the evenings. And you can create good balance to your muscles, thus reducing your lumbar spine tension and reducing that back pain.